Welcome to the NC Ancestry channel for North Carolina genealogy research. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you around a website that I built a long time ago, and occasionally I go in there and update it, but it actually could be a good resource for you if you are researching in North Carolina. So what I have done is as I post videos on the NC Ancestry YouTube channel, I post them here. Here's one I did about looking for land in Randolph County. Here's one I did recently about the North Carolina Genealogical Society Conference coming up. I did an interview when I was at NGS with the president of the club, David McCorkle, and so he talks all about the North Carolina Genealogical Society Conference, and I highly recommend, if you are doing research in North Carolina, that you join that society, because it, anytime you join a society in the area in which you're researching is very helpful. And so I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this website. This is ncancestry.com. And, this is the home page, and, you can get to the YouTube channels and the Facebook page up here. But as you can see, I've done some posts. This is one I did several years ago at the North Carolina Archives at the time of the pandemic. So we're wearing masks, which is just ugly. But there's a lot of good information in there about researching at the North Carolina Archives and so on. There's lots of good stuff here. So scrolling back up to the top, if you go to the Maps of NC tab, the nice thing about this, there are 100 counties in North Carolina. And I have been slowly adding stuff over the years, really as a project for myself, but there's a lot of good information in there for you. And so if you hover your mouse over the different counties, you can see them a little bit closer. These are maps I created. And if you scroll down, there's some more information here, but list of all North Carolina counties might be of interest. And it's also up here, North Carolina by county. And so when you come over to this tab and you scroll down, there are all of the counties listed here. I believe I've got them all in here. And if you see a hyperlink, then you can see that I have more information in there. Now, one of the things I know that I need to do is update Randolph County, because I did that video in there. But Randolph County is an area I do a lot of research in. So when you go to the different counties, you may find a little bit of information or a lot of information about that particular county and when it was formed. And that's really helpful when you're doing research, is to know when it was a county and what county it was born from. So in the case of Randolph County, it came from Guilford County in 1779. And so there's several resources that I have put in here over the years. I update this when I can. Really, the primary focus for me is the Genealogy TV channel and the Genealogy TV Academy. And I also now have Genealogy TV 2, which is a secondary YouTube channel that was really born out of a fear that I might somehow lose the primary channel because of hackers or whatever. So that was my way of communicating with y'all. So make sure that you're subscribed to all three channels. Those links are right here in the follow us button as well. And so there's a lot of information in here. If we go back to the, the NC by county and scroll down, you'll see that some of them don't have information. If you are in those counties or you know something about those counties, it's just a matter of time. I have not had a chance to investigate all 100 counties. And if you'll see, I'm working backwards. So A through roughly some of the C's, I have not added anything. I have not even created a page for those. But these down here that have hyperlinks, I have. So if you have any of that information, please reach out to me and let me know. I will gladly create a page if you've got something I can cut and paste into the website to help everybody. But as you can see, this comes all the way down to Wilkes County. I was actually working backwards when I did this. And so I was scrolling up. So, there's quite a bit of information in New Hanover County. There's some good history in this port city. And so, long story short, I even did a documentary long time ago before HD video. This is in 3:4 aspect ratio. But anyway, I just wanted to give you the heads up that there was a resource here. It's free to use. This NC by county is probably the #1 place to go to. And the maps of NC, which I have this little magnifying glass here that you can hover over. All right. I hope that was helpful.